morning, Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Gracie.
And welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Sophia.
Just a reminder, today we get out of school at 1:53 p.m.
Be sure to check out today's special bell schedule.
After dismissal, grab-and-go lunches will be available for pickup.
Now, let's dive into today's school announcements.
First up, Highlands Fall Play Puffs is happening tonight at 7 p.m. in the Wall. Tickets are general admission for $10 at the door, and doors open at 6:30 p.m.
Plus, there will be costume contests with prizes for the best dressed wizards and witches repping their houses.
Be sure to mark your calendars. Tonight is Snakes Night and tomorrow is Braves Night. For more info, see Mr. Thompson in room 8C.
Next up, if your fall sports season has wrapped up, there's still time to join the wrestling team. Just head to the wrestling room at the following times. Advanced boys practice runs from 4:15 to 6:30 p.m. Girls practice is also from 4:15 to 6:30 p.m. And boys beginners practice from 6:30 to 8:15 p.m.
And finally, there's no school next Monday in observance of Veterans Day, so enjoy your 3-day weekend with family and friends.
It's time for a quick break.
Check out this video.
I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skied in and they froze. I don't know nothing but no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something milli subs or so, I've been told. I'm in my prime, but this ain't even Final Four. They know me down, but still my feet, they find the floor. I went from living room straight up to sold out tours. Life's fire, but once I'm ready for the war. Whoa. This is how the story goes. Whoa, I guess this is how the story goes. I'm in the thick of it, everybody knows. They know me where it snows, I skied in and they froze. I don't know nothing but no ice, I'm just cold. 40-something milli subs or so, I've been told. From the screen to the ring, to the pen, to the king. Where's my crown, that's my bling. Always drama when I ring. See, I believe that if I see it in my heart, smash through the ceiling, cause I'm reaching for the stars. Whoa, this is how the story goes.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now let's jump into sports.
Welcome to sports. I'm Julia Medina.
Hey Scots, I'm Ja.
Let's dive into some sports announcements.
The varsity football team is heading to the playoffs with their first game away tonight against San Luis Obispo.
Last Friday, they had an impressive win over Ridgeview.
Their final score was 48-14. Go Scots!
Winter sports are kicking off here at Highland, including basketball, soccer, and wrestling.
Each team has already started regular practices to get ready for the 2024-2025 winter season.
And a big congratulations to Highland volleyball team for an outstanding season this year. Great job to the coaching staff and all the players. Go Scots! Remember, Scots, if you're interested in joining the team here at Highland, make sure to stop by the athletics office anytime.
That's all for sports today.
Thank you, guys.
Check out these videos from the drama program.
My name is Aubrey Arnold and I play Xavier Jones. I think it's unique because it's a play on Harry Potter, which a lot of people are familiar with. Doors open at 6:30, it starts at 7 on Friday and Saturday.
What's up, Super Scots? So in honor of the drama department showing Puffs this Friday and Saturday, we are going to be walking around campus and asking students what Potter house they are. I'm Lily Alvarez and I'm playing Wayne Hopkins.
I'm Zane Orozco and I'm playing Cedric, and let's get right into it. All right, I'm here with
Miranda.
And what house are you?
Slytherin. Mia, and I'm a Hufflepuff.
Layla, Ravenclaw.
Gavin, and I'm a Gryffindor.
Brooke, and I'm a Slytherin. Madison, and I'm a Hufflepuff.
Manai, and I'm a Slytherin. Amanda, and I'm a Gryffindor.
Caitlin, and I'm a Ravenclaw.
Tyler, Ravenclaw. Thank you.
Okay, today I'm here with
Alex,
Avery.
Omar,
Okay, and what Harry Potter house are you guys part of?
the Harry Potter one, the Gryffindor,
All right. A Ravenclaw.
Hufflepuff.
Today I'm here with CJ. Layla.
Troy.
All right, and what Harry Potter house are you guys a part of?
I'm a Hufflepuff.
Slytherin.
Definitely Slytherin.
Today I'm here with
Karis Jackson.
And what Harry Potter house are you?
Slytherin.
All right, today I'm here with
Sarah Pennell. Son Lopez.
And what Harry Potter house are you?
Hufflepuff. I'm gonna say Slytherin.
Today I'm here with Miss Dunkel. And what Harry Potter house are you a part of?
Hufflepuff.
Hello, I'm here with.
Mrs. Donez.
And what Harry Potter house are you?
I think Hufflepuff.
And who am I here with?
My name is Officer Lopez.
And Officer Lopez, what Harry Potter house are you a part of?
I would say the Slytherin house.
All right, thank you.
All right, we hope you enjoyed this segment. Make sure you catch Puffs Friday, Saturdays. Doors open at 6:30. Show starts at 7. We hope to see you there.
My name is Holly Bowling, and I play Megan Jones. This play is about the Hufflepuffs, which haven't really been covered in the Harry Potter series, and it's a really interesting show for people to be able to see Harry Potter from a different perspective. They should show up at 7 p.m. on Friday and Saturday this week.
And that's it for today.
Thank you for watching.
And always remember to
Plaid up.